Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this shell edging, and look, you work all of this all at once from one end to the other. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start working on a foundation chain. I'm going to double crochet in the fourth stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So double crochet and double crochet in the next stitch. So I have a cluster of 3 double crochet. This will take the place of the first double crochet. So that's this section right here. So now I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to slip stitch in the next stitch. Like that. And I'm going to chain 5. And that's this loop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the same stitch right here. Okay, so there's my 3 double crochet, and there's my loop, and that's the loop here that I'm going to work into. I'm going to turn my work again, and I'm going to work into the loop. I'm going to single crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's going to form the picot. Slip stitch into the top of the double crochet and then make 1 more double crochet and finish up with a single crochet. So you can see I've got that much done already. So now I'm going to slip stitch in that double crochet. Now I'm just going to keep repeating that. I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. See, I have 3 double crochet. Turn the work, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in the same stitch, turn the work, and then make the shell in that loop. Single crochet, double, double, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of the double crochet, double crochet, and single. And that's the second shell. And slip stitch in the next stitch. And you just keep working along that foundation chain, and you'll have a very easy edging that you can add to pillows or blankets or the bottom of a sweater, wherever you need a fancy edging. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.